is blue.
I'm not playing this game. I'm gonna tell you why I hate this dumbass.
My favorite artist right now is probably Kendrick Lamar, and my mom loves Justin Bieber.
Every morning his room is such a mess. Morning his room is such a mess. Every morning his room is such a mess.
Good morning, baby. No, babe, stop, please, stop tickling me. Babe, please stop tickling me. I think you're gonna make me sneeze. Babe, stop tickling me. Oh my. Oh.
I'm falling over. Oh shit. I'm picking up a mouse. Look at that guy. Look at that. Look at that lovely fella. New York for you. New York City. Oh, I'm falling again. I like having fun. Oh shit, I'm falling back. Ew. You're so crispy. I just want to see that. What makes you feel Every time. I feel like it's just... Ran for Whoa. Imagine I dropped it. So this shit doesn't really puff up. It's like wet. Right? Gross. Easy. Just like imagine it up here. That's it. Almost. I like to get it right to one. Right to wait. Oh, fuck.
Here we go, everyone. Now, they're getting ready to expose themselves.
Do you like tennis?
Do you like tennis?
No. Oh, damn, well, it's going to backfire.
Why?
Oh my gosh.
What's he
Why,
got?
what's he got? I can't see. What's he got?
What's he got?
Oh, what have you got? A tennis ball on the end of it?
Yeah. Went out last night and found a tennis ball. So.
He's got a tennis ball on the end of his knob.
I've never seen that before. You're not impressed, Jackie. You don't like that he's got a tennis ball on the end of it.
Willie.
Necessarily, but it's just fascinating.
Do you have any intentions of taking the tennis ball off, or is that
Oh,
going to stay on?
that's too obvious. You need to finesse this a little better. The tennis ball's ridiculous, right? You keep looking. You just did it for fun. So if she wants to see it, you'll pull the ball off. Okay, Jackie, do you want to see it or not?
Yes, I do.
It's
Oh,
up
no,
to
I'm
you.
sorry. That